Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to enter a purchase invoice with a negative discount in eVitalRx. When you receive a negative discount on a purchase invoice, there are three rates that must be mentioned to enter it correctly. First, it's MRP, second, PTR, third, TTS or rate. Now let's see how to enter a purchase with a negative discount in the system. Create a purchase entry, add the required information such as distributor name, order number, bill date, due date and product information. Fill in the required details such as batch, expiry, MRP, PTR and quantity. In the discount field, enter the negative discount value as shown in the invoice, which is mentioned as minus 2%. After adding the negative discount, you will be able to change the base price, as the base price becomes editable after entering the negative discount. Enter the rate value, which is 141.29 in the base column. Once the base amount is entered, proceed towards adding the GST and add the product. This is how negative discount is entered in purchase entry, which ensures your purchase entry is accurate and matches the distributor invoice correctly. Thank you.